Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Tony Stark from the Avengers. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So let's move over to the left side and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way around to the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing over on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the eye, drawing that same size circle. Now over on the left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. So we're just tucked up against the edge of the eye, drawing that circle, and then we'll line this up on the right side. Let's go in and fill the outside of the eye in black. Now from here we're going to draw the outside edge of the glasses. So on the left side we're going to step up, we're going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. And then from here it's going to round out the corners and then come down the side. So start on the left side, we're going to round this out and then come down. Now back over to the left side, we're going to round out the bottom of the glasses and then come up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're just going to line this up on the inside, curve down underneath the eye, and then we'll pull that back up on the right. Now we're going to connect the inside with a curve that goes up the middle. So we're going to go up and then back down on the right. Now we're going to add that nose piece in the center of the glasses. Over on the left side, we're going to angle up and out toward the left. Go to the right side, angle up and out towards the right. Now I just want to trace this out along the sides and the top. So on the left side, we're going to step in, angle up and out on both sides. Now we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now let's trace the glasses out on the inside. So we're going to start on the left side. Just going to work our way around the glasses. We're just going to pull that straight up on the inside. Now let's close off the bottom edge in the center. So we're going to step up and draw a curve going across. Now let's add in the eyebrows. From the top on the left, we're going to curve over the eye and then in. Curve over and then just pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Curving up and then out. Now on the inside, I just want to draw an angled line going up and in behind the eyeglass frame. Let's go ahead and fill the eyebrows in black. Let's add a curve underneath each eye. So on the left side, we're going to draw a curve coming down and then up. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. So right in here, we're going to draw a U shape. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and then back up. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the nose bridge. Now we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. So start on the left side, we're going to curve up the middle and then back down on the right. Now on the ends, we're going to draw a short line going up. Now we're going to connect the ends with another curve going up directly underneath the nose and then back down on the right. Let's fill the mustache in black. Now we're going to move to the side and draw on the lower part of the head. Starting from the left side of the glasses, draw a half circle. We're going to come down the middle, and we're going to pull that back up on the right side. In the center, we're going to step down and draw on the lower lip. Over on the left, we're going to curve down and then back up. Now from the ends, we're going to step in and draw an angled line coming down and in towards the center. Now from the bottom, I'm going to curve out and up, aiming towards the bottom corner of the mustache. And then from here, it's going to curve this down and then back in towards the chin. Let's go in and fill the goatee in black. Now we're going to move up and draw on the arms of the glasses. So on the left side, we're going to draw a short line going out, line this up on the right, come down the side with a short line, and we'll pull that back in behind the glasses. Now let's add some hair along the side. From the bottom corner on the left, we're going to step in, curve down, and then in behind the glasses. Now let's add in the ears. From the left corner, we're going to curve out, round out the ear, and we'll pull that in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to draw the inside of the ear. On the side of the hair, we're going to curve up and then out with a short curve. Now let's draw the inside edge of the head. Starting at the top of the glasses on the left side, we're going to curve up and then in. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down the center. Curve down, and then back up. Let's draw in the center of the hair. Starting from this point, I'm going to curve around, and then over towards the right side. Now we're going to do a series of overlaps. We're going to step back, curve over that line, and then pull that down. We'll do one more. Stepping down, curve over that line, over towards the right. Now at the end, we're just going to flick this up. And then from here, I just want to curve down and then in towards the right corner of the head. And then from the center of the hair, I just want to curve up and out towards the right, just to add a little bit of texture. Now we're going to move over and draw the left side of the hair. Starting from the side, curve out, and we're just going to pull that down. We're going to taper this back up and in. I just want to pull this down towards the left side of this arm. The glasses, curving out and then down. Let's go to the right side. So we're going to start up here, we're going to step down, curve down, and then in. Now about halfway along this line, we're going to curve out the side of the head and then down towards the arm of the glasses. Now we're going to add a little bit of hair on the side of the head. We're going to start at the bottom of the earlobe on the left, curve down and out, and then we'll taper that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right side, curving down and out, and then pulling that back in. Okay, so we completed the head. Let's work our way down the body. We're going to start with the inside edge of the jacket first. So leaving a gap in the center, on the left side, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the jacket. Go to the right and draw that same length line. Now from the bottom, I'm going to curve out and up towards the side of the hip. And then from here, we're going to go straight up and then just pull that in just underneath the head. So on the left, we'll go straight up and start to bend that in. Let's add the collar of the jacket. Starting from the bottom, we're going to angle up and out towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to pull that up and in towards the inside edge of the jacket. Let's add the top of the collar. About halfway along this line, we're going to angle up and out on both sides, and then we'll go up and in underneath the head. Now I'll add the vest and the lower half of the body. Starting from the corner of the jacket, we're going to step up, angle up and in towards the center, come back down on the right side. Now from the center, I'm going to go straight up to right about there. Now we're going to angle this up and out towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the shirt collar. Starting in the center, underneath the chin, we'll angle down and out towards the left and then the right. Let's add the knot of the tie. On either side, we're going to come in with a short line, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom two corners, we're going to angle down and out in behind the vest. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, I'm going to step down. I'm going to draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now leaving a gap in the center, over on the left side, we're going to curve out and and down towards the left heel, and then out and down towards the right heel. We're going to round out the bottom of the feet. So from the heel, we're going to curve down and up towards the toe on the left and right side. Now let's draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, I'm going to draw a curve going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about there. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction, going up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up, coming down, aiming towards the heel. Now I'm just going to bend this up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to thicken up the sole. We're going to take this curve, we're going to step up and draw a curve from toe to heel and heel to toe. Now let's go back up underneath the jacket and draw on the side of the leg. From the corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve out, round up the leg, and then pull that in towards the top of the foot. And we'll do that on both sides. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms about halfway down the side of the body, curve out and down towards the wrist on the left, and then the right. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. Now at the bottom curve of the thumb, I'm going to come down and then curve up around that bracket. Let's do the same thing over on the right side. Starting with the thumb, we'll add that bracket. Now at the bottom of the thumb, I'm going to curve down and then up around the bracket. Let's go back over to the left side and add the rest of the fingers. Starting at the bottom of this finger, we're going to curve down and then up. Now the last finger is going to go all the way around. We're going to pull that up and in behind the head. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Start with that second finger. Now the third finger is going to go all the way out, round out the arm, and then pull that in behind the head. Now we're going to finish this off with the sleeves. Starting from the inside of the wrist, I want to curve down and then back up towards the outside of the arm. I'm going to step up and just trace that same curve. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Curving down and up, step up, follow that same curve, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Tony Stark from the Avengers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.